Hi, I'm Diego. I'm a stained glass artist from Italy, from Orvieto, and I make stained glass, private commission, and I teach my art to students. This is Kelly. She's my young, 22 years old student from Chicago, all the way to Chicago to Orvieto. She explained what she's done in this class.
Hello everyone, my name is Kelly and I just graduated from college and went on a lovely vacation throughout Europe, and I saw many different parts of Italy, and I decided to end my trip with learning something completely different, a stained glass course. And I began the course with just a postcard of a picture of Ischia, and I went to Diego and I said, how can we make this into a lovely piece of stained glass? And so he took me through the entire process of making a drawing, going through and analyzing how the different pieces will fit together so that none of them are too big or too small. We then went through the glass cutting process and the grinding process, the leading process, the soldering process of bringing it all together, and then the final cementing process. And it was a week-long course. But in the meantime, we were able to see many different areas of the stunning Orvieto and the surrounding areas. I lived at Diego's place. I had my own room, and the house is very, very clean. I felt incredibly welcome. Diego makes the most amazing Italian food, and I learned how to cook even various family recipes of Italy. And it's just, I learned a great deal of art, but it was also an incredible cultural experience, and I always felt incredibly safe being here and welcome as a friend. I highly recommend this course.
And this is the work that she's done, a composition with cathedral glass and some pieces even of moss blown glass. She's been very good on cutting. She's not a painter, but she's done it. She's done some painting, and she's been really good on cutting and especially on leading. So I'm very proud.
Thank you.